In the heart of every car enthusiast lies an unquenchable thirst for speed, power, and exhilaration on the open road. Few cars epitomize this desire better than the Dodge Hellcat, a true icon of American muscle, boasting a ferocious 707 horsepower engine that roars like a beast. But what if we were to tell you that there's a league of affordable cars out there, priced far below the Hellcat's range, yet capable of challenging its speed and performance? Please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Today, we invite you to step into the realm of affordable speedsters, where horsepower meets budget consciousness. Our journey takes us through the adrenaline-pumping world of 7 affordable cars, each with its own unique blend of power, agility, and performance. These contenders are not just about statistics, they embody the essence of speed, delivering excitement without draining your wallet. Welcome to our brand new video, where we explore the roads less traveled and the cars that ignite our passion for driving. In this thrilling episode, we're about to unravel the secrets of speed and affordability. From compact roadsters to hatchbacks and muscle cars, we present to you a curated list of vehicles that demonstrate that speed is not always synonymous with a hefty price tag. Join us as we embark on a journey to unveil these hidden gems of horsepower, where we'll showcase their strengths, dissect their performance capabilities, and put them to the test on both the asphalt and the track. Are these cars mere contenders, or could they be the underdog champions that give even the mighty Hellcat a run for its money? Let's find out, shall we? I'll be your guide on this adrenaline-fueled adventure. So, buckle up, because we're about to push the boundaries and explore the exhilarating world of 7 affordable cars that can outpace a Dodge Hellcat. Let the journey begin. But before we delve into the heart of the action, let's take a closer look at what makes these cars so extraordinary and how they manage to deliver high-octane performance without breaking the bank. Welcome to your video name, where we're about to unveil some pocket-friendly speed demons. Let's dive into the world of affordable speed. Number 7, Dodge Charger RT. Our final entry is a bit of a curveball, the Dodge Charger R/T. While not as potent as the Hellcat, it still packs a punch. Starting at approximately $41,000, the Charger R/T is equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, pushing out 370 horsepower. This car offers a spacious cabin, a comfortable ride, and a strong V8 engine, making it an affordable option for power-hungry drivers. Number 6, Volkswagen Golf R. For those who prefer a more subtle, yet incredibly capable, ride, the Volkswagen Golf R is a hidden gem. Starting at around $41,000, the Golf R boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 288 horsepower. With its all-wheel drive system and refined interior, the Golf R combines performance with everyday usability. Number 5, Chevrolet Camaro V6. The Chevrolet Camaro has been an American icon for generations. The V6 variant offers a great balance of performance and affordability. Starting at approximately $29,000, the Camaro V6 is equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that pumps out 335 horsepower. With its striking looks and engaging driving dynamics, the Camaro V6 offers an excellent alternative to the Hellcat. Number 4, Hyundai Veloster N. Now, let's introduce the Hyundai Veloster N, a pocket rocket that has taken the hot hatch segment by storm. Starting at roughly $32,000, the Veloster N packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 275 horsepower. This car is not just fun to drive, it's practical and economical, making it an exceptional value proposition for those on a budget. Number 3, Subaru WRX. The Subaru WRX is another enthusiast favorite, known for its rally-bred performance and all-wheel drive capabilities. With a starting price of around $28,000, the WRX boasts a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine, pushing out 268 horsepower. The WRX combines practicality and performance, making it a fantastic choice for those who crave speed and versatility. Number 2, Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Next up is the Ford Mustang EcoBoost, which brings the iconic Mustang styling to the masses with a more budget-friendly price tag. The base Mustang EcoBoost, starting at approximately $28,000, is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 310 horsepower. This car offers a healthy dose of power, a thrilling exhaust note, and the classic Mustang swagger, all while being easier on your wallet. Number 1. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Our first contender, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, is a lightweight, rear-wheel drive roadster known for its exceptional handling. What makes the Miata so special is its affordability and nimbleness. Starting at around $26,000, the Miata comes equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 181 horsepower. While it may not boast the same power as the Hellcat, its low curb weight and perfect balance make it a joy to drive, especially on winding roads. As our exhilarating journey through the realm of affordable speed comes to a close, we've witnessed the sheer dynamism and power packed into these 7 remarkable cars. They've shown us that speed isn't confined to exorbitant price tags. It's an experience that can be accessible and thrilling for anyone with a passion for the open road. We've explored the Mazda MX-5 Miata, a lightweight wonder that dances through curves with grace. The Ford Mustang EcoBoost, embodying the spirit of the iconic Mustang while being budget-friendly. Subaru's WRX, bringing rally-bred excitement to the streets. The Hyundai Veloster N, a pocket rocket with a price tag that won't break the bank. Chevrolet's Camaro V6, a testament to American muscle at an affordable cost. Volkswagen's Golf R, combining practicality with power. And finally, the Dodge Charger R/T, a classic with a touch of modern muscle. Each of these cars has a unique story to tell, a distinct personality, and a promise of adventure. Whether it's the thrilling roar of an engine or the precision of a well-crafted turn, these cars have shown us that they are more than just machines. They are experiences waiting to unfold. In the end, it's not always about how many horses are under the hood or how big the engine is. It's about the passion that drives us, the joy that we find in the journey, and the thrill of the ride. These cars have demonstrated that performance can be attainable and exciting for a wide range of enthusiasts, regardless of budget constraints. So, which of these budget-friendly speed demons would you choose to embark on your adventures? The Mazda MX-5 Miata, Ford Mustang EcoBoost, Subaru WRX, Hyundai Veloster N, Chevrolet Camaro V6, Volkswagen Golf R, or the Dodge Charger R/T? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments below which car caught your eye and which one you'd love to take for a spin. Share your thoughts, experiences, and dreams with us, because in the world of automotive enthusiasm, the conversation never ends. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more thrilling automotive explorations. From all of us here, happy driving, and may your journeys be filled with speed, excitement, and the pure joy of the open road. Until next time, drive safe and live fast.